Standard 8 Maths Chapter 5 Expansion Formulae. Practice set 5.2. First, k plus 4 the whole cube. To solve this we have formula. So a cube plus 3 into a square b plus again 3 into a b square plus b cube. This is the formula. So formula says a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So here a cube मतलब क्या हुआ, your a is k and your b is 4. So according to formula a cube, so that is this k cube, then ये formula and then a square. So आपका a है k, then b, this is your b, plus again formula 3 a into b. So a is what, k, and b is what, 4 square plus b cube, 4 cube. So k cube as it is, then plus, now see ये तीनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, so 3 4s are 12 and then k square. Then now 4 has square, मतलब 4 you have to multiply twice. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are, so 16 3s are 48, 48 into k, and then 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is your, see according to formula this is your a and this is your b. So to make it easy, you do like this, a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So this is your formula. So wherever you see a, you put a, and wherever you have b, you put b. So this will be easy for you. Now after splitting, 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343 x cube. See this one, ये ऐसा है 3 into 7 square means 7 into 7 then into 8. So 7 7s are 49, 49 into 8. So 8 9s are 72, 4 is 32, 32 plus 7 39. Now that into 3, 3 2s are 6, 27, 3 is 9, 10, 11. So here you got 1176. And then this x square and then y. Similarly you have to do this one, इसको भी ऐसे ही करना है. So that 3 into 7 into 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 into 7, 4 7s are 28, 4 6 are, no, 6, 42, 44, then into 3, 3 4 12 13 14, 1 5 4 3 12 13. So here you get 1344. तो इसका solution आया 1344 and x and this y square, then 8 का cube. So 8 8 8 is 64, 64 8 is 512. 12 and y cube. So this is your answer. Now third sums. See, according to formula a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. Now a, your a is 7, 7, 7 and your b is m, m, m. So 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. There is no alphabet. Now 7 sevens are 49, 49 into 3, 147 and m. Now 3 sevens are 21 and m square, then m cube. So this is your answer. Okay. Now fourth, they have given 52 square. So to this 52 we have to make it like 50 plus 2 the whole cube. So according to formula a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So this is my a and this is my b. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and this 0 will be thrice. Then 5 5s are 25. What I am doing, ये जो 50 square है ना, so 50 square means 50 into 50. So last 0 will carry over. Here ये carry हो जाए. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So ये हो गया and 3 2s are 6. So into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12. 15. So here you get plus 15,000. Then this one 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 200. 2 3s are 6. 600. And then 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8. So after adding all this, means you have to use like this. Eight 0 6 10 4 1. So 140 0608. This is your answer. 101 cube means 100 plus 1 the whole cube. So according to formula a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So your a is 100. Wherever your a section, put a. Your b is 1, put. So 100 thrice. So 1 हो गया और ये 0 thrice. 6 zeros हो जाएंगे. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now 100 hundreds are 10,000. Then into 3. So 30,000. Here 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. 3 1s are 3. 300. Then 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. So after adding all this, we get 1030301. This is a, so according to formula a square, sorry, a cube plus 3 into a into b. Here b is in fraction, so b, a square b, then 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So your a is what? X. your b is what? 1 upon x. So x cube. Now see here x square and in denominator ये ना multiplication form में. So see it is something like this, x into 1 upon x. So x cancel, x बन जा x. So that means यहाँ पे अगर डायरेक्ट शो किए तो 3 into x 3x प्लस यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 2 इज देयर. सो 1 वेंट और एक नीचे से गया, यहाँ पे 2 है तो एक कैंसिल होगा. सो 1 इज लेफ्ट. सी समथिंग लाइक दिस, 3 into x into 1 upon x into 1 upon x. So x cancel, 3 1 जा 3 upon x. So 3 upon x प्लस 1 जितने बार भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा वही होगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर में क्यूब. सो दिस इज द आंसर. 7 sums. Now according to formula is a cube plus 3 into a square into b, then 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So in question a is 2m. So wherever you have to write a, write that, and b is 1 upon 5. Okay. So now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. See why these 2 2s are 4? 2m the whole square means 2m into 2m. So 2 2s are 4, 4m square. Now 4 into 3. So 12m square. Okay. So 12m square, and in denominator we have 5. So we have to carry that. Now here 1 upon 5 the whole square. So 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5. 1 1 is 1, 5 5 is 25. So this is 1 upon 25 and 3 2 is 6, 6 1 is 6. So 6m upon 25. And then this will be thrice. So twice we did. So one more time. So that is 1 upon 1. (25 into 5) 125. So here we have to write 1 upon 125. This is the answer. This is our A. So a cube plus 3 into a square into b, then 3 into a into b square, and then b cube. The last one is b cube. So a is what? 5x upon y, 5x upon y, 5x upon y, and b is what? Y upon 5x, y upon 5x, y upon 5x. Now further we have to solve it. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 x cube upon y cube. Then here 5 5s are 25. जो 5x स्क्वायर है वो 5x upon y into 5x upon y. So 5 5s are 25x square upon y. फिर then see you have into 3. now here you have into 3. इसको अगर स्प्लिट करेंगे 5x अपॉन y इंटू 5x अपॉन y देन इंटू y अपॉन 5x. सो सी ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, y एंड y भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो 3 5 15 x अपॉन y will be left. So that means यहाँ पे the second term will be 15 x upon y. Now the third term sum, इसको भी ऐसे स्प्लिट करते 3 इंटू 5x अपॉन y इंटू y अपॉन 5x इंटू y अपॉन 5x. करेक्ट, दिस वॉज द इसको हमने स्प्लिट किया. नाउ this and this cancel, this and this cancel. So 3 into y 3y upon 5x. So 3y upon 5x. Then y cube and 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125 x cube. So this is the answer.